So today I'm going to be unboxing these fall shelves. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it, give you my full and honest review. So today we're actually going to be unboxing, setting up these lighted roped garlands. So let me go ahead and open it up. These are definitely giving autumn vibes. They're perfect for your home on Thanksgiving, Halloween, or just to set up some cozy fall decor. All right. So here is the box open. Like I mentioned, like giving those fall autumn vibes, the orange, the yellow, just a crisp feeling. All right, so let's go ahead and check and see what comes inside of this box. So I'm going to go ahead and take everything out. So first we have these two rustic wooden shelves. Go ahead and open them up. As you can see, they come in plastic like this. They also come with ropes. These are going to be what you're going to go ahead and hang them with. So you take them out. They're actually pretty lightweight. They are already colored, so they're like some darker brown wooden plates, and then you get the rope. Next, we have these two fall garlands. Each one of them comes with 42 maple leaves, and they are already intertwined with bright orange LED lights. So I'm trying to go ahead and get one of these just to show you. All right. So take a look. They got the LED lights already on there and the maple leaves. So this is separately. The batteries are not included, but they are battery operated. It requires 3 AA batteries. So in the package, you will get 2 non-drilling wall hooks, wall anchors, and nano adhesive pads to secure the battery to the boxes neatly. You also get some zip ties, some hooks, and then an instruction sheet that will walk you step by step through the installation process. All right, so I have everything here ready for the installation process. I'm going to go ahead and show you one of them just so when you receive yours, you know how to go ahead and properly set it up. So personally, I would choose the side that looks a little better to be the top facing side. So as you can see, this one's a lot better. This one has like a little bit of scratches. Probably do it on this side. So this will be my top piece. So next we have our rope right here. And you get a total of 4 ropes. So I'm going to go ahead and separate them, one on each side. Now, depending on the length that you want, you'll go ahead and make it smaller or shorter. You are going to want to go ahead and pull the rope through the bottom. Each rope is 3.6 foot ropes. And then you want to go ahead and just pull through. And you want to make sure they're the same on all sides. So then once you pull through, you want to go ahead and tie a knot. All right, so once you have them all tied up, now you have your ropes set so they're not going anywhere. Next, you will grab your garland and just go ahead and wrap it around the ropes. So you want to just go ahead and wrap it around the ropes. Once you do this, they did include some zip ties here. So you'll go ahead and tie that garland around. And then just snip any excess. All right, so let me go ahead and finish this process and then I'll show you once they are installed. All right, so for the back part here, it does include this little sticky. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And this is to go ahead and hold the battery in place. So once you have your garland set up, you want to go ahead and stick this to the bottom of the board. Okay, I just want to make sure I got the top piece on the top where I'm going to put the batteries in. So I'm going to go ahead and place this on the back. I removed the sticky from both sides. And we're going to go ahead and place it on the bottom. Just like that. Let me go ahead and get some batteries, get this installed, and then we're going to go ahead and check it out. I'm going to go ahead and place the AA batteries on the inside. Remember, these are not included. Put the top on. See, we got some lights. So let's go ahead and hang these up. So if you want to go ahead and do the nail-free installation, this is included. As you can see, it's a little plastic that has these little hooks. Now the little hooks, you want to make sure they're facing up because you will be using this little metal hook. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and hook that through. click it into place. Now, wherever you are going to go ahead and install it, you want to make sure you wipe the wall clean. Then you're going to remove the adhesive. So it has like this little tape back here. So you want to go ahead and remove the plastic and place this on the wall. Once you got the spot cleared up, you want to go ahead and hook this. And turn it on. So let me go ahead and show you the full look. So here are both the garlands. They held up nicely. You'll go ahead and place some decor on them or just leave them like this. You could place them on opposite sides. You could place them diagonal. You could place them side by side. But overall, they were so easy to install. They look super cute. Like I mentioned, these are perfect for the fall, perfect for the holidays. If you want to go ahead and check them out for yourself, I'll go ahead and link them down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.